hope you all are having an amazing day. So I do want to remind you guys before we get into today's video that we do have 2 active giveaways going on right now. We have our makeup and skincare giveaway that ends on October 4th. And then we have our giveaway that's in the Boxy Luxe unboxing that ends on October 13th. Both will be linked down below, so definitely check those out. But as you can see, today we have another new subscription, and that is the Libbee t-shirt subscription. It is a women's t-shirt subscription box. It says like a surprise party in your mailbox every month. So you get a new t-shirt every month. You actually can choose between a tank top, a t-shirt, or even like a long sleeve or lightweight sweatshirt. You can change the preference at any time. So if, you know, in the middle of the summer, you want to get tank tops or short sleeve shirts, and then around the time of fall, you want to get to the long sleeve, you can switch at any time. They are true to size. That is one thing that they do say, they are true to size, so don't think that you need to order a size up or down. They are true to size, so that is good to know. And it says they have designs that make you smile. They may be quirky, cute, vintagey, or hilarious, but they are always fresh and fun designs. You get 1 per month. And now they did send me, and again, thank you Libbee t-shirts for doing this. They sent me 2 different ones to show you. These are actually the April and May designs because they sold out of all the others. But it starts at $18 a month if you do the tank top or the shirt. If you get into like the long sleeve sweatshirt or something, that is $30. But I will put a link down below so you can check them out. But let's get into this package and see. Okay. Because it just came in like a white mailer envelope. All right. So your shirt was designed by Ann Shin from Los Angeles. She is an illustrator, designer, best-selling author based in Los Angeles, a graduate of UCSD and Art Center College of Design, and has created work for a number of publications, campaigns, products, and galleries for children of all ages. She lives with her husband and their 2 dogs and 1 gray tabby cat. She has written and illustrated 2 books, Bad Girls Throughout History in 2016 and Legendary Ladies in 2018, both published by Chronicle Books. She's currently working on her 3rd title. So it tells you right there about her. All right, so we will start with the one that she did, and this is the long sleeve lightweight sweatshirt type. You can see their logo right there, Libbee. But this is like a really like swoop neck. This is cute. It's like 100% donuts. But you can see the long sleeve, and it is very lightweight. You can kind of see here, like it's not super thick, so this is like perfect to like layer, and it feels really soft. Like that feels so soft. I like that a lot. And then we have second one, and this is one of their shirts, their t-shirts, the short sleeve t-shirts. Oh my gosh, and this feels amazing. Like, so soft. And this is so cute. Food before dudes. That is awesome. And it kind of has, I don't know if you guys can really see, but it kind of has like purple, a little bit of purple going on there. But how cute is that? And it's one of the high-low, so it's a little bit lower in the back. Swoop neck. And then, like I said, you can see it's a short sleeve. So, and it is so soft. Like, it is so soft. Feels amazing. That is adorable. So there we have it, that guy right there. Super soft. So those are the two to show you. Like I said, we have here the short sleeve shirt, and then here we had the long sleeve, kind of a lightweight sweatshirt. They both feel absolutely amazing. I think they are both just as adorable as they could be. Like I said, I'll put a link down below if you want to head over and check them out. You can get the shirts or the tank top for $18 a month. If you wanted to get like the sweatshirt, that does run at about $30 a month. And you know, the one thing I really like is that you can change from the sweatshirt to the short sleeve shirt to the tank top and back to the short sleeve shirt to the long sleeve, however you want to do it, whenever you want. I really do like that. So like I said, the link will be down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.